Let's find out. Today, we're diving into the wild world of cryptocurrency, where gains and losses can be extreme. We'll break down 10 trending coins and tokens, from household names to hidden gems. For each, we'll ask, is it a buy? We'll look at their tech, use case, and market sentiment. This is the deep dive you need to make smarter decisions, not just chase hype. Smash that like button if you want more clear, no-nonsense crypto analysis. Now, let's get into it. First up, Fartcoin. It started as a meme, thriving on viral marketing and community hype. There's no real tech, no utility, just speculation and wild price swings. Gains can be huge, but crashes are just as fast. Think casino, not investment. If you're in it, treat it as a gamble, not a wealth-building strategy. The only thing driving value is attention. Memes, influencers, and exchange listings. For most investors, the risk is way too high. My verdict: pass. There are better places for your money. Let's move on to projects with more substance. Next up, Fartcoin. Fartcoin. Yes, another one. Unlike Fartcoin, it tries to add utility, an NFT marketplace, play-to-earn games, and staking. But these features aren't unique. Thousands of projects offer the same. It's stuck between being a meme and a utility token without excelling at either. The branding turns off serious investors and the tech doesn't stand out. No clear reason to invest. Too much risk, not enough reward. Another pass. Let's get serious. Definitive. In a world overflowing with crypto projects, it's easy to get lost in the noise. But every so often, a project comes along that stands out for its ambition and clarity of vision. Definitive is one of those rare projects that's not just about hype, but about solving real problems in decentralized finance. This DeFi project aims to be a decentralized asset management protocol, essentially functioning as a blockchain-based hedge fund. The idea is to bring the sophistication of traditional asset management to the open, permissionless world of crypto, where anyone can participate, regardless of their background or location. Users can invest in tokenized portfolios managed by experts or algorithms, making DeFi investing accessible and streamlined. No more navigating dozens of protocols or worrying about complex wallet setups. Definitive aims to simplify the process, letting you focus on your investment goals. Strategy creators earn fees for their expertise, while investors gain access to sophisticated, actively managed strategies. Importantly, funds remain non-custodial, so you always retain control over your assets, no handing over your crypto to a black box. The use case is clear and addresses a real need in the market, democratizing access to professional asset management while maintaining transparency and security. The challenge? Attracting top strategists and enough capital to build trust and liquidity. Without skilled managers and a critical mass of users, even the best protocol can struggle to gain traction. It's still early stage, so there's significant execution risk. The team must deliver on their promises, navigate regulatory hurdles, and build a community. But if they succeed, the potential upside is substantial. If you're looking for exposure to innovative DeFi projects that are trying to push the industry forward, this is definitely one to keep on your radar. Do your own research, but don't ignore the possibilities here. It's higher risk than established blue chips, but it offers a much stronger case than the typical meme coin. The fundamentals and vision set it apart from the crowd. For a speculative slice of your portfolio, keep an eye on Definitive. It's a project with purpose, and it just might surprise you. Let's move on. Next, Edge. Edge is a non-custodial wallet focused on making crypto storage simple and secure. It uses a username and password system, hiding the complexity of private keys. You can buy, sell, and swap crypto in-app, no need for centralized exchanges. It's user-friendly and secure but faces tough competition from MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Important note: Edge is a product, not a token. You can't invest in it directly. Great tool, but not an investment opportunity. Let's get technical with our next pick. Meet Altlayer and its token, ALT. Altlayer tackles blockchain scalability with rollups as a service, making it easy for developers to launch custom rollups. This means faster, cheaper transactions and dedicated block space for dApps. The tech is cutting edge, leveraging restaking for security. ALT is used for governance, fees, and staking within the ecosystem. Altlayer is a strong play on Ethereum's growth and the rollup narrative. It's early, but the first mover advantage is real. High potential, high risk, add it to your watch list. Now let's look at a project bridging crypto and real-world rewards. Assemble Protocol is next. Assemble Protocol, ASM, wants to turn your loyalty points into spendable crypto. Aggregate points from airlines, hotels and shops, convert them to ASM, and use them anywhere in the network. It's a practical idea, but success depends on signing big partners and attracting users. So far, traction is mostly in Asia. Global adoption is a challenge. The concept is solid, but execution is everything. If they land major partnerships, ASM could take off. For now, it's a niche play. Wait for more progress before jumping in. Next, let's talk DeFi lending. Maple Finance is pioneering a new era in decentralized finance by introducing under-collateralized lending to the blockchain. Traditionally, DeFi lending has required borrowers to lock up large amounts of collateral, often exceeding the value of the loan itself. This has limited access to capital for many businesses and institutions that need flexible financing options. Maple is changing that by allowing vetted institutions to borrow with less collateral, making the process more efficient and accessible. Unlike most DeFi platforms, Maple leverages a network of expert pool delegates who carefully assess the creditworthiness of borrowers. These pool delegates act as gatekeepers, conducting due diligence and managing risk on behalf of lenders. This innovative approach means that institutions can access capital without the need for massive over-collateralization, while lenders benefit from professional risk management and oversight. By bridging the gap between crypto and traditional finance, Maple enables real-world business loans to be issued on-chain. This not only brings more legitimacy to DeFi, but also opens up new opportunities for businesses to access funding in a transparent and efficient way. The platform is helping to create a seamless connection between digital assets and the needs of the global economy. The results speak for themselves. Maple has already facilitated billions of dollars in loans, demonstrating strong product-market fit and growing demand from both borrowers and lenders. This rapid growth highlights the appetite for innovative lending solutions that go beyond the limitations of traditional finance. Of course, the opportunity is massive as DeFi continues to mature, but it's important to recognize that borrower defaults remain a significant risk. As with any lending platform, there are challenges around credit risk, market volatility, and the evolving regulatory landscape. Investors and participants must weigh these risks carefully. Maple represents a sophisticated bet on the future growth of institutional DeFi. As more traditional financial players explore blockchain-based lending, platforms like Maple are well-positioned to capture a share of this emerging market. The involvement of institutional investors and professional analysts signals growing confidence in the sector. If you believe in the potential of on-chain credit markets and the evolution of decentralized finance, Maple is definitely a project to keep on your radar. Its unique approach to risk management and institutional lending sets it apart from other DeFi protocols. While the platform offers high risk and high reward, it stands out with a clear use case and a strong vision for the future of blockchain-based lending. For those willing to navigate the risks, the potential upside could be significant. Now, let's check out a privacy-focused newcomer. Venice token is up. Venice token, VVV, is building a privacy-first Layer 1 blockchain. Using zero-knowledge proofs, it aims for confidential transactions and private dApps. The tech is promising, but the mainnet isn't live yet. Right now, it's mostly hype and a white paper. Competing with giants like Monero and Ethereum is tough, and privacy coins face regulatory hurdles. If they deliver, the upside is huge, but the risk of failure is just as high. Only for high-risk speculative investors. Most should wait for a working product before considering VVV. Next, a tale of two protocols. In the fast-moving world of crypto, it's easy to get protocols mixed up, especially when their names sound similar. ZORA and Renzo, REZ, are two such projects that often get confused, but in reality, they couldn't be more different. Despite the occasional chatter online, these protocols are totally separate, each with its own unique mission and technology. ZORA is a well-known NFT protocol that's become a favorite among digital artists and creators. Unlike many crypto projects, ZORA doesn't have a token you can buy or trade. Instead, it's a platform designed to empower creators, making it easy to mint, share, and sell digital art as NFTs. The focus here is on creativity and community, not speculation or investment. Renzo, on the other hand, is all about DeFi innovation. It's a liquid restaking protocol built on top of Altlayer, a cutting-edge Ethereum infrastructure. Renzo lets users put their ETH to work in new ways, helping to secure networks while earning rewards. Here's how it works. You deposit your ETH, receive ETH in return, and start earning yield automatically. This process not only generates passive income, but also contributes to the security and decentralization of the broader Ethereum ecosystem. The REZ token is at the heart of Renzo's governance. Holding REZ gives you a voice in the protocol's future, voting on proposals, upgrades, and key decisions that shape the platform's direction. Since its launch, Renzo has seen explosive growth, with billions of dollars in total value locked. This rapid adoption signals strong demand and growing confidence in the protocol's approach to restaking and yield generation. The restaking sector is heating up, attracting both excitement and caution. While the potential rewards are high, competition is fierce and technical risks are ever present. ZORA, meanwhile, remains a pure platform for creators. No investment angle, just art and community. Renzo, in contrast, is a high-potential but speculative DeFi play. If you're optimistic about the future of restaking and want exposure to this emerging trend, the REZ token could be worth a closer look. As always, do your own research and understand the risks before diving in. Now let's shift gears and revisit a true crypto veteran, someone who's seen cycles come and go and knows the value of innovation and resilience in this space. Up next, Golem, a project with its own unique story and lessons for today's crypto landscape. Golem, GLM, is a pioneer, building a decentralized supercomputer since 2016. Anyone can rent out or buy computing power, paid for in GLM tokens. The more the network is used, the more valuable GLM becomes. Golem struggled for years, but with AI and machine learning booming, demand for compute is surging. It's a working product with real utility, not just hype. Risks remain, newer projects could outcompete it, but Golem's resilience is impressive. If you want exposure to decentralized infrastructure, GLM is a contrarian veteran pick. Now let's wrap up with some final thoughts. 10. That's our deep dive into 10 very different cryptos. From meme coins to DeFi infrastructure, not all projects are created equal. Look for real use cases and adoption potential. This is not financial advice. Crypto is risky, so do your own research before investing. Read white papers, check communities, and understand the risks. Let me know in the comments which projects you're watching or want covered next. Hit like and subscribe for more deep dives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.